Hi, it's Julie, the Creative Chica. Happy Saturday. So today I am playing around with paper, and I was looking on YouTube, and I've been trying to build up my stash of cards, and so I decided that I really love this idea of making a card kit. So as I was watching one of the videos, this is the formula, I guess, is you take your color, your base color that you're using, your pattern paper, and then you take the colors off of this paper and you blend it. And so here are the ones I'm making some card kits. You can put it in a Ziploc bag, and when you get ready to make a card, you have all the colors that you picked out for your card, minus the embellishments. So I got that, and I thought that would look good, and I don't know how much of this I'll use, but it's got some gray colors, so I thought I picked two pattern grays. This one's really pretty because it's got a little glitter. I'm not sure if I'll use this because this is for a guy, so I may not use that, but I got a plain gray. It does also have a little bit of black in there, so I picked up the black. There's a little bit of darker blue, so I picked up the blue. It's got some aqua. I picked up the aqua, and this is one with lines on it. And then this one is a lighter aqua that can go with this. And then there's some golds. And so this kind of resembles the gold. And there's portions of this where it gets dark, like here, kind of brown mottled. And so I picked up this. Like I said, I'm not sure what I use. And then a lot of this is cream. This is cream. I don't think you guys can see it in the camera, I don't know, but it's got little specks. So there's that first kit, and that'll go there. And I might, since this is my base, I could probably cut my base down to the size that I want. I'm not sure, but anyway, this will all go in one bag. Let me put this here so nothing falls. So there's one, and then here's another one, and this one is going to go with the pink and blue butterflies. So this one is a very beautiful blue with some, pink with blue and green and white iridescent. It's gorgeous. It's got like a pink graph paper behind it. So I picked up some greens to go with the green, the white to go with some of the white iridescent here, the hot pink, because there's hot pink in this, right around the edges here. So I got some hot pink, and then I got some pink gingham to go with the graph, and then aqua colored blue for the aqua, and then I got this beautiful paper that goes from light to dark, and it's got butterflies. Beautiful, beautiful paper. So that will be kit number 2. And I'm only going to do 3 right now because I don't know how many I'll get out of one pack. So I might get 2 out of that. So there's that. And then my last one is this beautiful paper from Penelope's Potpourri. I don't know if I even say that right. SEI paper. And I don't know how old this is, but I got it in a bunch of paper. But I love the colors of the mint, the aqua, and the black, red, all of it. It's so pretty. And actually there's cream in here, and I didn't think about that. I may have to get another piece of cream also. And I would probably use, I have plenty of this cream, so I might use that. So it might go together. We'll see how that looks together. But anyway, that's the start of it. Let me show you the papers that I picked that I may use with this. So definitely I got the script in black. Then I got some of the mint color, the kind of teal-ish color. I couldn't exactly get that green. There was one that was a little too dark. But look at this strip of paper, and it's got the white, the red, it's got some pink and teal, so that can go with that. And then I did find this. Isn't that cute? It's just a polka dotted aqua. And then I got this shimmery aqua, which is very, very pretty. Goes very well with that. And then I got some pink. This is just the thin paper, but it goes well with the hot pink here. And then I got a lighter pink that can go with that lighter pink. I actually have a lighter one. I think I'll change that out. Then there's some red that goes well with that. I picked up some more red, that is this, and then some polka dot red. So those are all the colors I picked, and I may or may not use this. This actually might be the edge of the card, and I could leave a little border, so that might work. But I just wanted to show you that, and it's fun to use up your scraps to make your cards. I don't know why I hadn't thought of this before. Such a good idea. I think I saw this on, I think her channel is RTS, and she shows how to do this, and making card kits, and also making scrapbook kits. She does a lot of that too. Anyway, but I saw that, and I thought about all these kits that I could make. So I'll be making the three different card kits, and I'll probably get more than one card out of these, I'm sure, and that will be fun. Maybe I'll get 6, I don't know, but all the same papers in a different layout. So I will be looking up some card sketches, and once I get the card sketches, then I can figure out which ones I like. Matter of fact, I want to show you guys this. A friend of mine many years ago gave me one of her books, and I was able to copy, and I believe I think this is it. Yeah, it's called Card. This is so old. This is like 20 years old. But I have all kinds of ideas. This is my inspiration book, how to make all kinds of things in here. And then in here, there are different kinds of things to do, how to make things. And there's card sketches. And this could have been a Close to My Heart book, maybe. Let me think. What does it say? Close to My Heart. Yeah. So I was able to copy it and get all the different card sketches, and you could get them online for free. But this is just fun to look at, and I'll probably use this as my inspiration. See, this one has buttons, and I have a bunch of buttons that I can use. And yeah, this is going to be fun, guys. Just doing all this. You can do that. You can print out card sketches, put them in a little book, and when you kind of run in a blank, you could go through your book and make yourself some cards. So anyway, this is my card idea book, and I will be using that when I start making these cards. And I'll bring you guys back and show you what I've made with my different kits that I put together, and that'll be a lot of fun. And we'll see how many I can get out of this. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.